Welcome back to the channel, my channel, Francis Crypto Academy. Today I'm going to teach you about Royal Q, how to set a trade without wasting time, without waiting for signals. You can activate this into your free time. You can even use your phone or your computer immediately and enter the market. What are you going to do? You will just come here and tap into this coin. Those who are trading spot or those who are in spot market, you just come here. You see these the coins that have fallen. You choose any. You have chosen feeder. You see now feeder is here. You will remove all those indicators and leave only one. You leave only one MACD. You are going to use MACD. You know, MACD is very good. These indicators are all good. You know, I'm going to teach you all of them one by one. What is MACD? This is called the moving average convergence divergence. Okay, moving average convergence divergence. So let me take you to trading view. You know, in trading view you'll understand it easier. I hope everyone here has trading view. Okay, you have trading view. Now here we have it was feeder FIDA USDT here, Binance. You tap it, you see the market will show you how this coin has been performing here in why do you come to trading view? Because Royal Q has some things that don't appear even here, don't appear. Okay, so here you will use our trading view app for more clarifications. So you'll tap into this moving average. You will go to charts. You'll go here. You'll tap here. Let me show you with arrows because I know some of you always disturb. You always say, I did not understand that, coachy, please coachy. No. You see, we have dots here. We have that pen and we have these ones here. Okay, those ones there. So we are going to tap into those ones and see where we have indicator. Are you seeing indicators? Are you seeing indicators? It's there. So you tap in indicators. You come here and write moving average. Before even you complete, you will see it, moving average convergence divergence. Are you seeing it? It's this one, moving average convergence divergence. You tap it, it will be added to the chart. Are you seeing? Then you close, you come to your chart here. Okay, you come to your chart here and you see your MACD, moving average convergence divergence, has been drawn onto your charts. Now what do? You tap into it. You place this settings button, this one. You tap it. You need to tap it and go to the settings. Input is here. You'll come here and write on the first length. You will have, you know, it has two lines. One is a 12 and another one is a 26. So you will tap on that first length line and put a 20. On the slow length you put 200, such that they move correspondingly. Okay, then you see now it's making a very clear movement. Are you all seeing? It's making a clear movement. Now how do you identify that this market is going up by this MACD? This MACD has a line, has two lines. It has a blue line. You seeing mine? It has a blue line. Sorry, let me use lines. It has a blue line it has a blue line. Let me draw it for you. It has a blue line. When it moves like this, and it has also another line, the what? The orange line. You can call it yellow, whatever. It's the orange line. So when these lines move, and this yellow line come and meet this yellow line is our big line. Are you getting me? The yellow line is the big line, the one of 200. It looks after 200 candles, and the blue line forms after it takes a look about after 20 candles. Are you getting me? It takes a look about 20 candles. So when this blue line is moving, assume this is our yellow line. Now our yellow line is moving like this, and it turns like this. The blue line will be also moving like this. You know, the blue is always when the market is up, the blue line is on top of that of this yellow line. Okay, so sorry, when this yellow line is moving like this, are you seeing? No, the blue line is moving like this, and yellow line, and the yellow line is also moving beneath this line like this. When they try to come and they meet, when they try to come, this is a yellow line, it is coming like this, and it comes to meet, and it meets this blue line, and they cross like this. And they close when the yellow line is from the downside like this. That is what we call a death cross, because this yellow line is the big line. When the big line crosses the small line, is called a death cross. What is a death cross? A death cross is where by this line, after these lines meeting, the market is going to go down. The market will go down. That's a death cross. But when these lines, when this yellow line is on top like this, and it is coming, and this blue one and the blue line crosses this yellow like this, that is what we call a golden cross. That's a golden cross. Okay, it's called golden cross. Now when the market forms a golden cross, it means the market is going to go in the uptrend. It's going to go up. Now this MACD has a line. It has a line in the middle. This line is called the zero line. Okay, this line, when the candles form, when the moving average is forming above this candle, this line, it is in uptrend. That market is a pumping market. So whenever it forms a golden cross above this line, it is going to go up. But when the moving average is forming below this line, it's called the falling market. So whenever I find a death cross beneath that line, that zero line, you just know that's a death cross. You can sell if you're in futures, but for the sake of spot, you don't sell, just buy. How are you going to use this in RoyoQ? How are you going to command your robot to do this? You see this moving, we have the volumes. You can see volumes here. They're called the histograms. Histograms are moving down there, where you see the blue, this green, light green, you have the red here, the green, you see. That's what we call the moving convergence divergence. It goes like this. It keeps on going like this. You see, it diverges and converges. Are you getting me? So you just go to your RoyoQ. And say, this is MACD. I'm going to use MACD. You create a bot. You create, understand, you come to trade settings. After trade settings, you go to manually create. I know you know that. You go down there to advanced settings. Triggering price, you will tap on MACD. Okay. So when you tap on MACD here, you will use, you see now it's showing you golden cross because you're already in spot market. We only buy, we only go for golden crosses. Okay, now do you want the golden cross to happen below a zero line or above a zero line? You tap on that zero line. Do you want it above? You know, this left with a zero, it means that is below zero line. Now this one, it means above zero line. Now do you want it above zero line or below zero line? When you are in spot, you will need it below. You need it below zero line here. Below zero line, because if it's below zero line, it gives you a good opportunity in spot. You know, remember here, we don't lose. We don't lose our money. We want more profits. We will buy it when it's below zero line. But those ones in spot, you have to wait it to go. You will set it to above zero line. Then you save. You save, you confirm, you create, you activate your bot. You create, okay? You create, your coin is done. Then you set another coin. What do you do now to identify the money? If you're in futures and you want to put put your money in that in one coin, or like you have $100 and it's what you want to use, put all that first buying amount as 100. Then you go to your futures account and set and only deposit that, transfer only $100 to your futures account. After that, you set this strategy into many coins such that you don't miss any opportunity, or such that you don't take long. So the first coin to use the opportunity, you come and pause these other ones. Then you transfer your other balance from the funding wallet to futures again, and set margin calls to that coin. It will deliver, automatically deliver. This one has no fail. It does not fail. It will deliver you a 1% sure deal, and it will not take long, because a death cross happens when the market has already confirmed the trend. I hope you know that. It confirms when the market has already confirmed that it's going to go to the uptrend, or a death cross forms when the market has confirmed it's going down, and it goes immediately. Takes no time. Okay, any questions? If anyone has any questions, let me write for you here my phone number. My phone number is 07786 it is 868030. I'm from Uganda. If you're up country, you press 2, you use +256 code, +256, then you put the number. It will show you my name. Okay, I'll even leave it in that information, more info about this video. I'm going to leave it there in the bio. You'll find there my phone number. You can WhatsApp me. You can ask me about anything about cryptocurrencies and trading. I give free mentorship. I'll teach you freely. You don't need to pay me. I'll teach you how to activate your bot. I'll show you how you can buy your robot. Buy a robot. Let the robot work for you. Why do you struggle with the market? Don't struggle with the market, you guys. Just buy the robot. Simple. Okay, we meet in the next video, because me, when I start talking about that, I go emotional. I'm sorry, I go emotional because some people don't use chances. We meet in the next video.